Hello, geometry students. In the last lesson, we learned the relationship in a right isosceles triangle, and I'm highlighting it here in pink, that the two legs are equal and the hypotenuse is leg times the square root of 2. Some people like the symbol S for the legs, so in green you might see this on the SAT. The sides are S, S, and the hypotenuse is S squared root of 2. And then in the second video, we learned that if we are told the hypotenuse, then the legs are the hypotenuse over 2 times the square root of 2. So let's look at this worksheet, which are our class examples. So using the relationship we learned, problem number 1, we know that the legs are equal. So y is 12, and the hypotenuse is 12 square root of 2. In problem number 2, again, the legs are equal, so y is 17, and the hypotenuse is 17 square root of 2. Problem number 3, we're also given the leg is 15, so v is 15, and the hypotenuse is 15 square root of 2. In number 4, the leg is 20, so the other leg y is 20, and the hypotenuse is 20 square root of 2. So all 4 of these problems use this relationship that the legs are equal and then the hypotenuse is leg square root of 2. Now, if we look at problem number 5, we can see that the hypotenuse is 78 square root of 2. So that matches up very similar to the other problems. So each leg is 78. Because if the hypotenuse is equal to the leg square root of 2, and we know the hypotenuse is 78 square root of 2, if I were to write these right above each other, we say both sides have square root of 2, which means each leg is 78. So that's using the pattern. Using that pattern, problem number 6, since the hypotenuse is 62 square root of 2, each leg is 62. Same idea with problem number 7. The hypotenuse is 9 square root of 2. So each leg is 9. Likewise, number 8. Hypotenuse is 26 square root of 2. So each leg is 26. So I organized this worksheet so problems 1 through 4 were all very similar. Problems 5 through 8 were always similar. And then the other relationship we learned, I'm going to redraw it down here. When you are told the hypotenuse, to figure out each leg, you take the hypotenuse, divide by 2, and then multiply by the square root of 2. So for problem number 9, y will equal 6 divided by 2 square root of 2. So y is equal to 3 square root of 2. So y is 3 square root of 2. X is 3 square root of 2. In problem number 10, n is going to be the hypotenuse divided by 2 times the square root of 2. So n will be 5 square root of 2. And since the legs are equal, m is also 5 square root of 2.